Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are now in the Module 9 in ICT and Entrepreneurship in TLE 6. In this video, we are going to talk about on how to use an e-group to share ideas and work with others. This is based on the Unified Supplementary Learning Materials, also known as SLEM. For the expectation, at the end of the SLEM, you should be able to, number one, identify and define the e-group applications. Two, use an e-group to share ideas and work with others. Before we go on to the lesson proper, let us have your pre-test. Direction, underline the correct word to complete the sentence. So you have to choose between the words enclosed in the open and close parentheses. This time, I would like you to bring out your TLE notebook and write your answers there. Let me read the paragraph for you. E-group is called Community Environment Group. These are people who use internet, web services like chat groups, email, and social networking sites to hang together. Facebook group is one of the e-group applications used wherein it is the largest, smallest social media networking website. Members can communicate, motivate, and camaraderie collaborate to each other to share ideas about the task. E-group also helps one another to improve better work and increase efficiency for a motivate better community. With this, people learn to reach out and develop their camaraderie, communication, and to motivate community, a better community. So start answering now. You may pause this video while you answer, and you may resume once you are done. It is now time to check your work. Here is the key to correction. The correct answer here is the one that is in blue. E-group is also called community group. These are people who use internet services like chat groups, email, and social networking sites to hang together. Facebook group is one of the e-group applications used wherein it is the largest social media networking website. Members can communicate and collaborate to each other to share ideas about the task. E-group also helps one another to improve work and increase efficiency for a better community. With this, people learn to reach out and develop their camaraderie and to motivate a better community. Did you get the the perfect score? If that's so, congratulations. Let us now have a quick review on the past lesson. Direction. Choose the best answer and write your answer on the space provided. Again, please write your answers on your notebook. Number one, it is one of the largest social networks that works to interact with other people. A. Facebook. B. Instagram. C. Messenger. D. YouTube. Write down your answer. And here is the correct answer for this number. One of the largest social networks that works to interact with other people is A. Facebook. Number two, it is a software application that allows users to make a voice and audio calls over the internet. A. Breeze. B. Skype. C. WeChat. D. Viber. Write down your answer. The correct answer here is B. Skype. Number three, an electronic communication that connects computer networks and access different websites. A. Browser. B. Conference, C. Internet, D. Telephone. The correct answer here is letter C. Internet. Number 4. It is a method of communication between two or more persons that are interconnected to each other via internet. A. Conference, B. Audio conferencing, C. Video conferencing, D. Audio-video conferencing tools. The correct answer for number 4 is letter B. Audio conferencing. Last number 5. Discussion for conference meeting should be A. Collaboration, B. Communication, C. Formal, D. Informal. Write down your answer. And the correct answer here is letter C. Formal. So let us talk about Egroup. Egroup is a group of people who use internet services such as emails, chat groups, and social networking sites to communicate and collaborate with each other via audio-video conferencing. Egroup is also known as community group wherein people can share ideas, messages, and photographs that are particularly useful in the areas of business, schools, and other working on common goals or advocacy. It is a challenging task to share work together. People learn to reach out, share ideas, and encounter problems in developing a good camaraderie and motivating a better community. So here is the different e-group applications. We have here Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a place to communicate about shared interests with certain people where they can share information or their knowledge. The second one, LinkedIn groups are hubs on LinkedIn which provide a place for professionals in the same industry or with similar interests to share content, find answers, post and view jobs, make business contacts, and establish themselves as industry experts. The third one is Google Plus communities, are places for people to get together, meet, engage, and talk about interests that they share. Did you get it? So for now, let us have the activity 1. Activity 1 is hide and seek. So here is the direction. Find and encircle the following hidden words that are related to the topic. So this is like a crossword puzzle wherein you have to find the words on the box. To give you a larger view of this slide, please refer to the next slide. This one. This time, you may now pause the video while you find the words, and later on, once you are done, you may resume the video. Let us now check your work. And those are the words in the e-group word search. We have here collaborate. We have here communication, camaraderie, people, e-groups, share, and ideas. So, nahanap nyo ba lahat? Kung nahanap nyo, let us proceed with the next activity. Activity 2, let's do together. Direction. Form a group of 5 members, create an e-group, make a group chat, make a report on the effectiveness of e-group and the benefits collaborating online. So here's a sample rubric to give you a larger view of this rubric. Here is the next slide. So the criteria are the following. We have here the content. 3 points if presentation covers topic completely. Add in-depth information, is clear, appropriate, and accurate. 2. 2 points for presentation include some essential information. Some information is confusing, incorrect, or flawed. 1 point if presentation includes little essential information. Information is confusing, inaccurate, or flawed. The next criteria is organization. 3 points if presenter follows logical sequence and provides explanation or elaboration. 2 points if presenter does not follow logical sequence, jumps around in presentation. And 1 point if there is no logical sequence of information. The third criteria is teamwork. 3 points if all team members contribute equally, perform all duties of assigned team role. 2 points if occasionally helps to complete group goals, perform some duties of assigned team role. And 1 point if does not work well with others and shows no interest in completing the group goals, did not perform duties of assigned roles. You may screenshot this slide for your reference in the future. Let us move on with the remember. So do not forget. Egroup, also referred as to community group, are people who use internet services such as email, chat groups, and other networking sites to communicate and collaborate with each other. Now, let us have the knowledge check or checking your understanding. Title, Pusuan Mo. Here is the direction. Draw a happy heart if the statement is correct, and a broken heart if it is not. Then underline the word or group of words that made the statement wrong. So let me read. 1. E-group is also called community group. Write your answer or draw your answer. 2. Sharing in e-group particularly helpful in the fields of business and education and others. 3. Participating in other group conferences on topics of interest to which they will benefit is also applicable. 4. Facebook group is the most popular application used in e-group. 5. Members can communicate and collaborate to each other to share ideas about the task. 6. Each member encourages everyone to share ideas and promote limitless discussions. 7. Using e-group requires poor internet connection. 8. This site allows members share and work together using audio-video conferencing. 9. Members supports and motivates each other. 10. Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and Google Plus communities are examples of e-group applications. Are you done? Let us now check your work. Number 1, e-group is also called community group, happy heart. 2, sharing in e-group particularly helpful in the fields of business and education and others, happy heart. 3, participating in other group conferences on topics of interest to which they benefit is also applicable. It's a broken heart. So it's not, the word is not applicable. 4, Facebook group is the most popular application used in e-group, happy heart. 5, members can communicate and collaborate to each other to share ideas about the task, happy heart. 6, Each member encourages everyone to share ideas and promote limitless discussions. Happy heart. 7. Using Egroup requires poor internet connection. Broken heart. It requires good internet connection. 8. This site allows members share and work together using audio-video conferencing. Happy heart. 9. Members supports and motivates each other. Happy heart. 10. Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and Google Plus communities are examples of e-group application. Happy heart. So it is now time for your post test. Please scan the QR code that you see on your screen, or you may also type in the link that is on the screen, or you may click the link on the description below. Should you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment down below. That's all for this video. I'll see you again in my next vid. I hope you learned something from me. Goodbye and stay safe, everyone. God bless us all.